Hello. Today I want to do a cube twist, something similar to what I saw done by Black Bear Forge. I want to give it a try and put my own twist on the twist, as it were. If you haven't already checked out his channel, please do so. Very good stuff. I cut mine differently. I sawed the piece on the diamond and just beyond halfway. I need to thank Jerry S. Hodges for his donation to my channel. May your coal forge be clinker free and your gas forge burn with a neutral flame. Thanks. Black Bear Forge does opposing twists on each pair of cubes, which is probably the better way, but I'm going to twist each in the same direction. My original idea was to make a sort of spiral staircase design, but that didn't come to pass. It's always a good idea to do a cold dry run on something you haven't done before, just to make sure you've got your steps down and your tools where you need them. I want to quickly try twisting all at once and see what happens, but as I do that I can see that it's better for me to go just one by one. You can tell by how slow I'm moving that I've never done this before. And it's one of those things where less could be more, so I don't want to overdo it. I've been fiddling around with this, and I like what I see, but I have a strong urge to heat it up and beat the heck out of it, and see what emerges, but I held off on doing that. So there it is. The way I've done this, there's a sort of spine on one side, and the cubes are less uniform, but they have a free-floating aspect. We've been having some biblical afternoon rainstorms. Catch you guys next time.